Hello, my name is Hernan Darío, and this is my video presentation. Hello, everyone. This is a picture of my family. The photo was taken in the restaurant while we were having dinner together. In the picture, you can see my father, Dago. This is my father. This is my father. My whole sister, Sarah. My whole sister, Sarah. My younger sister, Elisa, and me. We are enjoying a special family gathering. My father, Dago. This is my father. My father is a friendly and hardworking person. Uh, he is wearing a beige jacket and smiling at the camera. I like his positive attitude. I am wearing a light color sweater and smiling for the picture. Sarah is my older sister. She's wearing a white blouse and the light blue jacket. She is keen and responsible. Finally, Elisa is my younger sister. She is wearing a green sweatshirt with flowers. She is cheerful and caring. At the moment this picture was taken, my father is sitting in the table and smiling at the camera. I am posing for the picture. Sarah is sitting and enjoying the family meal, and Elisa is smiling at the camera. We are eating, talking, and spending quality time together. This picture represents a happy moment. Thank you for your listening to me presentation. Bye bye.